Did you know that one bird species has mastered the art of deception to ensure its survival? Meet the cuckoo bird. Instead of raising its own young, the cuckoo lays its eggs in the nests of other birds, like the weaver bird or the drongo. Once the cuckoo chick hatches, it begins a ruthless act, pushing the host bird's eggs or chicks out of the nest. This ensures it gets all the food and care from the unsuspecting parents. This cunning survival tactic highlights the astonishing strategies nature uses. Isn't that incredible? Stay tuned for more amazing facts.